We're going out for dinner tonight. Going off to a Thai restaurant. It's about an hour's drive away. So we've got to make sure we're there with plenty of time because of parking and all that. Finished up at the Eden project earlier with a bang. I don't know if you'll see the footage, if you've seen the footage already, or if you'll see it in a minute. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Lots of informative sort of stuff there, you know, learning about environment and educational sort of stuff there. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense that there's it's an eco sort of place, you know, environmentally friendly, and they're selling meat and dairy on the menu. But I think they're sort of supporting. I think they're supporting the local farmers and stuff, unfortunately. But it's good for the community, not for the environment. bit of a backward sort of statement there that they're making. Got one more day left anyway. We're gonna enjoy our Thai tonight. Have a bit of a lay-in maybe tomorrow, and we're off to Durdle tomorrow. Depends on what the weather's going to be like, but if it's good weather, we'll get some nice drone shots, some work on the Ronin, and yeah, put together a nice little montage. The lady in red is going out to dinner with me. We're gonna eat the Thai lady. No, not lady. Did you enjoy your poke?
He poked me with his shiny bowl. His stick.
Poked you with his bowl.
Then he wouldn't take mine, no.
He won't take our cash. You only take contactless.
It was an experience.
Yes. The bloke with the strongest accent we've actually heard since being in Cornwall, funny enough. I don't know what's going on with the world round this way. Need some more accents round here like that. We're going down to Plymouth to get our Thai dinner. Right? Driving 45 minutes.
No, 27.
Oh, right, it was 45 minutes last night, but now it's 27 minutes.
Continue on St. Budo bypass for 1 mile.
I'm not entirely sure who's made up the names for these places as well. It sounds like they've just thrown a load of words together and hope for the best.
And they made up a pronunciation.
Yes. What was the other one? Crickle something or other, wasn't it? Crickle.
Yeah.
Crickle Fest? Something like that. Cricklewood. And that's a TV programme, isn't it? Cricklewood.
We saw Catch French.
Catch French? Like, what the hell is that? I mean, I'm assuming that back in the day they used to catch the French over there.
Double boys?
Double boys, spelt B-O-I-S, double boys. Like none of those girls.
Double boys?
Just a load of double boys. Not a load of double boys, just 2 double boys. No, not even 2 double boys, it's just 2 boys, isn't it?
One double boy.
One double boy. Maybe they're Siamese twins.
Double boys.
Double boys.
3064.
Strange topic to be talking about before dinner.
Amy Tree?
Oh, Amy Tree. Like, again, you have to make the assumption that there was a tree there that Amy found.
Maybe she just really liked trees.
Maybe she just really. Maybe the tree's called Amy.
And there's Minion.
Minion?
Yeah, Minion.
Is it actually Minion?
There is an actual Minion, yeah.
So I've been taking a piss out of Saint Millennium,
Millennium.
calling it Minion as well.
You got me doing it now.
Millennium.
Million.
Millennium.
There's
a place called Minion.
Minion, there is genuinely a place called
There you
Minion.
go, Amy. There's a little place called Minion down here.
And Merry Me.
Huh?
Merry Me.
Merry Me.
Merry Me.
Merry Me. Merry Me.
Merry Meat.
Merry Meat.
Merry Meat.
That's not very vegan.
No.
I suppose that's somewhere where you meet and get merry.
And Lusgard.
Lisgard, which sounds like something from Lord of the Rings or I don't know, Game of Thrones or something silly like that. Yeah. Just some crazy, silly names.
I feel like this is a very valid conversation that we still need to have.
I've just told Jess I've stopped recording now, so we can go back to being boring.
Exit the roundabout onto Wolseley
And I
Road.
wish to continue the conversation.
She wanted to carry on talking about German scones or some rubbish.
German scones?
German scones.
German scones aren't a thing.
Yes, they're called scones.
Can they come quick?
Just when we thought it was all over, we've just driven into a place called Pennycum Quick.
Pennycum Quick Hill.
Pennycum Quick Hill. So not only is Penny coming quick, but she's on a bloody hill.
Coming quick up a hill.
She's on a bloody hill. So she's definitely going to come quick if she falls
Exit the
down it.
roundabout onto Pennycum Quick Hill.
There you go, Pennycum Quick Hill.
Quarter of a mile at North Cross roundabout. Take the second exit onto Cornwall Street, A374.
Second exit onto Blender. So it's our final day today at this retreat, and gotta say it's been fun. It's our first holiday together, and yeah, really enjoyed it. Just taking the recycling down to the recycling bit down here, and then we're off to Durdle. It's about a 2-hour drive, I think. We had a lovely little snooze this morning. I think it was needed because we were up early for a lot of the days. I definitely didn't dream about George Michael and having a baby with George Michael. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, so we're off to Durdle then. 2-hour drive. I'll see you in the next clip. I expect this will be the final clip of us vlogging, so laters. Our little dinner trip last night to, where did we go? Plymouth, wasn't it?
Yep, Plymouth.
Last night we found £20 laying on the floor. Well, Jess did anyway.
Free lunch.
Free lunch. Way. Score. Tastes better when it's free, doesn't it?
Always.
Say that again for the camera.
I like how the bubbles dance in my mouth.
She's talking about her fizzy drink and how she likes how the bubbles dance in her mouth.
I do like how the bubbles dance in my mouth.
An interesting way of talking about Diet Coke.
It tastes like a samba.
Now we're stuck in traffic because Jess took us the wrong way.
I didn't take us the wrong way.
Did take us the wrong way.
I didn't.
She missed the turning because she was talking about money. Always going on about money, she is. Money this, money that.
No.
Missed our turning on the motorway. Came off and thought, sod it, we'll go and get some free lunch with the £20 note that we found. And now it's taking us, rerouting us, and we're stuck in traffic. Well, we're not stuck now, it's moving, but it's alright. We're moving now. I'll let her off.
If I hadn't have taken us on a slight detour, you wouldn't have got a free McDonald's.
True. True, very true.
Happy accident. A happy chance.
A happy accident.
A bit like us meeting.
That was very much a happy accident. Although I'm not sure about happy.
It's very dull through here.
We're in Dartford now. A place called Dartford. Obviously everyone here is very dull. There's no one here.
No one here?
If there is, they're dull.
Babe, it's 20 degrees.
It's bloody lovely on our last day of our holiday. Down this way and it bloody brightens up at the end of it.
Oh no.
Oh babe, what have you done? You're meant to be driving, not eating chewing gum. It's coming, it'll come back on.
That was the end of that.
Put a bit of hand zipper back on. So do you reckon then Jurassic Coast we're going to, innit? Do you reckon we're going to see any dinosaurs?
There better be dinosaurs.
I want to see fossils at least.
There's congestion on the Jurassic Coast, causing a 20-minute delay. You are on the best route. You should reach your destination by 14:30.
Durdle door.
Do you think we'll see any whales?
Wales? We're not in Wales. And I've eaten so much this holiday, I could be classed as a whale. Probably best not to. Let's keep this a friendly channel, shall we? Really want to see a Durdlesaurus.
A what?
Durdlesaurus.
Dinosaurs.
Yes.
These are found here locally. And they come out at around about 12:45 onwards. It's funny, it's 12:45 now.
Anyway. Oh, babe.
Look, I had to change gear, right?
What are you doing?
Show your boots.
Keep taking Hans Zimmer off and putting Radio 1 on.
Sorry.
I've had enough of it.
Gosh. Chill us out, babe.
I had it all figured out. Knew which road I would go down. Thought I could do it all on my own. But then you came around. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. Well, I had the mountains on my mind, but I was supposed to find someone to share these moments with.
Sitting on the beach. Where 5 minutes ago I was in a vest and shorts. And now it's raining. Isn't it, babe?
It's raining. I look like a toadstool.
You do kind of look like a toadstool. A sexy toadstool, but you know. That's it. And Blossom. Ooh. What I might do is, because we're waiting at the moment, Jess has taken her camera off the tripod. I might stick my stick my tripod where the sun don't shine. Stick my camera on the tripod and shoot the other way, because we've got some pretty cool clouds that way. Good look. Make the most of the time. Take some pictures of that.